Welcome to Mama Maria's Restaurant Training. On this training website, you will learn how to navigate through the training website, attend new employee orientation, food safety, how to handle guest complaints, making a lasagna, and lastly, answer our discussion board. We are going to click here to begin, which will show you how to navigate through the training website. Next, we'll move on to our new employee orientation, where we will learn about Mama Maria's mission statement, history, hours of operation, employee roles, and food safety standards. Then we'll move on to our food safety, where we will go into detail and discuss topics such as safe temperature, proper cooling, produce handling, and proper hand washing. Pay close attention because there is a quiz at the end. Once we're finished here, we'll move on to handling guest complaints, where we will learn about the importance of reaching for the stars. Then we'll learn how to make a lasagna in 3 easy steps. Finally, we ask that you describe a challenge you faced when learning about food safety.